today that's what we are going to be discussing about the dental chair and how we operate it. So as we see here, we have the lighting. The lighting is adjustable, comes with handles, and it's attached onto the chair, and it also has a switch. Now this switch contains a low, high, and then also an off switch. Adjust the handles to your liking, but be gentle when retrieving it back to its position. This is how the dental unit looks from far away and distant. Okay guys, so as we have here, this is run by air, and then it's also for the low and high speed handpieces. And over here we have the control panel. Now this control panel controls the leverage to bring up the chair, level it down occlusively, upwards and forwardly to adjust the seating to its own liking. As you see here, I'm adjusting it so that you guys can see, like, I'm bringing it up, I'm testing it, I'm giving it a whirl, so you guys know that this is another control panel that we use. So guys, this is very cautious and important. These are all the hoses and wiring that are attached onto the chair, and these are the hoses here connected to the master panel. But the hoses are very important because that's where the hand pieces go, as in the slow speed as well. And then there's a spare third one for another use, could be for another hand piece as well. And we have our water and air syringe. So this is a small demonstration of how the hand pieces look when they're adjusted onto the hoses and to the system. We have another panel up here that's also attached onto the master panel. Now with this panel, this is also to control the seating. We have up and down, and then we also have for the chair to go back and forward, and also we have numbers on the top. As I'm playing right here with it, I'm bringing the chair up so that you guys can see, and I'm gonna go ahead and lean the chair back. And now I'm gonna adjust it forward towards me. So as you see, it's coming up, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and press 0. Now, if you see numbers on the chair, it's because 0 means that it brings it down easily to the floor. 1, it adjusts the chair and brings it up. So the master panel comes with an arm brake, a cup fill, full rinse, a flush, and an off and on switch. So now these switches are very important to know and use properly. On the left side, you see the sink. That's also important on the chair. So here we have our section. One is for high, one is for low, and then we have also a spare one, could be also for surgical. The bottle tank, this is very important. We always fill the bottle tank whenever it's low. So want to make sure you turn off the air pressure before unadjusting the bottle, because then if not, it will affect the tank when operating. This is our amazing compressor. Now, the compressor has an adjustable airflow, has an outlet pressure, and has a tank pressure. And it also has the motor. Remember, this is very important to know about our compressor, because our compressor is what makes our dental chair flow and work properly. Without it, we are useless as a dental crew. It has a lever, and it's very loud, so want to keep the door shut. And it must always be connected to the outlet. Never disconnect it. Do not ever disconnect it. This switch controls the water flow. It's important to switch it on before use.